Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economicals game from long time and I know how to win them. From a long time I have been playing games on the site FocusBet and I know how to make money in very short time. So today I'm going to tell you how to make money in the site game Crash on the site FocusBet. So this is the site FocusBet and these are the various games you all know, and these are the slot games. This is the area where you can see all the offers which are going right now, and this is the section where you can deposit your money, withdraw your money and check the payment of the history. So guys, now we are going to start with our favorite game Crash and we are going to make money now. So for first round I am putting like 100 at auto stop of 2. Okay, we have to wait for this round. In this round, so basically this is the rocket, it will go till a certain height and we have to make a prediction and we have to cash out before the rocket falls. So this is the whole motive of the game. Let's see how high the rocket will go in this round. 7x, 8x, man. So this is the section where you can see all the players who are playing this game, and this is the live section where you can see the players who are playing different type of games. 22.95x. okay, I'm not sure about next round, so I'm putting 100 at auto stop of 2. Okay, let's see. Preparing for a round. Go. Fine. I'm putting like 400 at auto stop of 1.7. I'm not sure about the next round. Fine guys, fine, don't worry. Let's put 500 at auto stop of 1.5. In some round the rocket will fall before 1.5, so don't worry, you need to be strong and you will recover. Look, now I'm putting like 750 at auto stop of 1.7. Hope for the best. Let's see in this round how high. 1.5. Fine. 3000. Now I'm putting 1000 at auto stop of 1.7. Guys, we are in loss now, but we will recover. We need to be strong. Go. We need to make money. Fine. Let's see when this rocket is going to stop. 5.2x, man. Fine. 700 at auto stop of 2.1. Let's try. Go. Cover. No, and fine. 1000 again at auto stop of 1.7. Okay guys, let's see. 1.7. Fine. Guys, we are still in loss, but we will recover. This is fun game, man. Sometime you will lose, sometime you will win. But at the end, what matters is how much profit you are making. Let's put 1700 now at auto stop of 1.7. After one round, in one round the rocket is going high, in the next round the rocket falls before 1.5. Today my day is not good. Look man, look. 1000 at auto stop of 2. Let's see. We need to cross 2 at least, bro. This time we need to cross at least 2. At least cross. Fine. I'm 100% sure in the next round again it will stop before 1.5. Let's see. There are various patterns in this game, so you have to be just little bit sincere and you will recover and you will make profit. Man, 30x. Fine, never mind. Let's put 10 at auto stop off. Let's put 5. Okay. Let's see. I'm not sure whether it's going to cover even 2. Look. What do guys now? Let's put 50 now at auto stop of 5. Okay guys. Let's see. Waiting for our round. Cover. Fine. I'm putting like 1940 at auto stop of 1.5. I'm not sure, so I'm playing with a small auto stop. Let's see. Look, 100 more, then we will again back in the game. Today our day is not great, but we will recover. Don't worry guys, we will recover something and we will make at least somewhat profit. 13x, 14x man. Putting 10 auto stop off. Let's put 20. Now we have to wait. Let's see. Great, fine. Now I'm putting 400 at auto stop off. Let's put 2 this time. Okay guys. Fine. Cover 2. Don't fall before 2. Look. Now we're in profit. Fine. Now I'm putting like 1300 at auto stop of 1.7. Let's see. We need to make money, man. We need to make money. Cover at least, man. Fine. I'm putting like 500 at auto stop of 4 this time. Let's check whether we are going to win or lose in this round. I am not sure, but I think we will win. Let's see whether we are going to recover or not. No. 1500 at auto stop off 2. Today our day is not great, man. We are losing. Cover at least 2. Fine. 500 at auto stop off. Let's try 7. 7 is fine. Let's see. Cover. No man, no. Our last 500. Let's see whether today is our day or not. I'm putting like 10 now. Okay, last round for our day. I'm little bit worried today because our day is not great. We are almost broke. Let's see, hope for the best. 4, 3 more, 2 more. Man, everything recovered. Look, in profit of 5,000 rupees now. So guys, you need to be strong and you will recover everything and you will be back again in the game like we are. I'm putting like 10 at auto stop off. Let's wait for this round. Okay, 2x, 1.5x. Okay. 3, man, we miss this game. Don't worry, but we will play next round and we will end our streaming today with that round. Let's put 500 at auto stop of 1.7. Man, this round rocket is going till 34x. Next round it will stop at 1 or 1.2 or 1.3. Let's see. Go. Cross at least 1.7. Great. So guys, that's all for today. In the starting, we lose a great amount of money, but at the end, we made this amount of profit. So that's all for today. I hope you all get the idea how to play this game. And whenever you are losing, don't lose hope. You need to be strong. You will recover everything. Bye bye. That's all for today.